You guys gotta check that out. That shit freaked me out, man. I'm sitting over here in Ontario, Oregon, waiting for my permit, and I saw something moving over there, and I was like, what the hell? And then I saw that big ass parrot just chilling. I've seen everything now. He was actually faced towards me. I was trying to scramble to get my darn phone. That is so weird. I mean, not weird like in a weird way. It's just, I mean, it's kind of cool. But the thing keeps taking his beak or her beak. I don't know if it's a male or female. They didn't tell me. But it uses its beak a lot. That thing's got a long ass tail. We'll see. It's got a now it's got something in its mouth again. I think this keeps grabbing stuff by its beak. That's kind of, well, that kind of is very, very interesting. Come on, buddy, or girly, whatever. These things are kind of destructive, it looks like. Huh. Well, how long can you watch a bird, right?